the event space for Leeds, we can get about 40 people here. That might be tight, we might push for 35, but this is gonna be the first ever event that I've run in Leeds. This is the 3rd time I've ever been in Leeds, and we're gonna build a networking community here called Dare to Grow. You wanna help? So we've got a projector at the front for slides. I think you can zoom people in, which we might do one day, but not yet, not in the beginning. Just, you know, steady away. We've got a fancy coffee machine. We're gonna have the event catered, so there'll be lunch, sandwiches, teas, coffees, or maybe in this space here. And there's some nice little breakout areas as well for networking. There's a nice room at the back as well. So this will be our venue, guys, for the first Leeds event. This is a small point, but how important is somewhere to hang your coats? Yes, Wizoo. So the reason I'm doing this, guys, is because I've been online for the last 4 years. I honestly think since COVID, something in me just stopped me going out. Not in the sense that I was scared or anything like that. I think it was the convenience of online and honestly the cost of actually doing in-person bits and pieces. But over this last month or two, I've been networking like mad in Newcastle, and the energy that I'm getting from meeting new people, the new connections I'm making, the business that's coming from it is absolutely amazing. And I'm wondering, Lisa, why on earth did you wait so long to get back out in person? I sound like I've been some kind of crazy recluse, and guys, do you know what? I might have been. So what I'm hoping from these events is that it's a chance for you to get out the house, go on a little adventure, get on the train, come to a new city, and in a place that you kind of know, this Dare to Grow community, it's going to be a really nice place to meet new people, do new business, focus on your goals, and actually elevate your energy and practice being the version of the person that you really want to be. I'm a little bit nervous, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I've never done anything like this before. I've wanted to do this properly, across the UK since 2015. I've run one-off events, which you can do a big push on, you can sell the tickets for those, you tend to be okay. But to do it every month in 3 or 4 different cities across the UK, somebody stop me, because I'm out of control.